Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Samsung monitor no sound. If your Samsung monitor has no sound, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all, you can try to check connection, ensure the audio cable is properly connected with both the monitor and the computer. If you are using HDMI, make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected. After checking cable, you have to select the correct audio output. For that, on your computer, you have to right click the sound icon in the system tray and select the playback devices or sound setting. Ensure that the monitor is selected as a default audio and output device. Then you have to adjust the volume setting. Check the volume setting on the monitor and the computer. Make sure the volume is not muted or set too slow. Then you can try to check the monitor setting. Access the monitor on screen menu and check the audio setting. Ensure that the built-in speaker are enabled. After that, you have to connect the monitor to a different device like another computer or a media player to see if the issue persists. If the issue is still persist, you can try to restart your device. Restart both your computer and the monitor and hopefully your issue will be fixed after that. Hopefully this video help you to fix the Samsung monitor no sound issue. Thanks for watching.